Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Power the XL100 and the target TV because an unresponsive TV wastes time. Once done, hold the XL100 1 to 3 feet from the TV bezel and point directly at the sensor. This improves IR detection. Press and hold the pairing button for 3 seconds to enter setup mode and watch for the blinking LED. Make sure to note the TV model. Some codes differ by model year, so you pick the right code sequence next. Now you perform the code search because this finds the correct control signals. If you use auto search, press and release the TV button, then repeatedly tap the channel up key until the TV reacts. This can take up to 2 minutes. If manual, enter the 3 or 4-digit code for the brand and test power or volume. Once the TV responds, press OK or save immediately to lock the code. Make sure to test several functions, power and volume first, so you confirm full control. To finish, cycle through the TV's primary functions to validate the mapping because partial mapping means a bad code. You should check power, volume, input selection, and menu navigation. Make adjustments if a key is missing or reversed. If something fails, replace batteries, move within 1 foot, and repeat the search. Signal strength or angle often causes misses. As a last resort, try alternate brand codes from the list or perform a factory reset on the XL100 and start over. That clears corrupted pairings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.